Okay, this is 4.2 760020. Determine equations. This is a very important lesson. Okay, you'll use this throughout in Algebra 1 as well. So we are looking for the constant in these to determine an equation. In order to find that, we take our y and divide it by our x. Y divided by our x. Now, they're not always labeled x and y. Like this is pizzas and this is slices. Could be down here is hours and miles, but x and y, traditionally x and then y. So the slope intercept, traditionally on a linear equation, it's y equals m, which is your change, your constant, also identified as k sometimes. That's your slope. M is equal to slope, and we'll talk about that later as you move up. So when I divide 36 divided by 3, 60 divided by 5, I get 12 for all those. So the constant is always this times 12 equals that. 5 times 12, 3 times 12. So in order to get y, I multiply x by 12. So I'm going to write that out as s equals 12 times whatever p is. And there's my equation. S equals 12p. Notice sometimes they switch the letters. The S has to be first, okay? Then they'll give you some nonsense ones. So here, 11 divided by 1, 66 divided by 6, they all equal M equals 11 times H. I'll run through a few of these, but once you have this down, they're pretty much the same. I ignore the zero zeros. 81 divided by 9 is 9. So my equation is D equals 9 times R. D equals 9R. So R, it's not R first, not R first. Okay. 8 divided by 1 is 8. N equals 8B. And that's how you would type that in. N equals 8B unless it asks for just the constant. Okay. 36 divided by 3 is 12. So M equals 12H. M equals 12H. Here they switched the variables. That's not right. 6 divided by 3 is 2. They're constant throughout. So D equals 2 times R. So whatever R is, you multiply it times 2, and it would tell you D. 22 divided by 2 is 11. So D equals 11L. Can't be this because L is first. Can't be D equals 0. D equals 11L. Here you go. 44 divided by 4 is 11. So whatever P is, you multiply it times 11. This equals 11 times this. 9. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So N equals 2 times B. N equals 2B. N equals 2B. And the last one, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 3, my x divided by my y divided by my x is 4. So D equals 4 times B. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 20 is 80, and it works out. So this is determining the equation. This is beginning slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, which is your y-intercept. But this is your slope, and this is telling us that constant change.